All right, let's dive right in. Today, we're walking through a playbook designed to help you, as a small business owner, really unlock the power of AI. And here's the secret. It's not about buying flashy new tools. Nope. It's all about organizing the data you already have. So let me just start with a question. What if you could knock out your routine tasks in, say, half the time, and actually improve the quality while you're at it? Now that sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. It is the very real result of getting your data organized for AI. And this really gets to the heart of a super common mistake. You see, there's a huge difference between just using AI tools and using them well. If your data is a mess, you're basically feeding your AI junk food. And you know what you get back? Junk results. It's that simple. Okay, so we've structured this whole thing like a consultant's playbook. First, we'll talk about the untapped potential just waiting for you. Then, we'll give you a simple framework for success. After that, we get into a practical action plan, look at how to handle common roadblocks, and finally, wrap it all up by showing you how to turn that data into a real, tangible advantage. First up, the untapped potential. Let's really get into why this isn't just some tech project you can ignore. This is a core business strategy that could define your success. So, let's make sure we're all on the same page here. When I say organizing your data, what do I mean? I'm talking about the basic stuff, the structure of your information. Think about your file formats, having naming conventions that actually make sense, and a logical way of storing everything. It's about making your data easy for an AI to understand and use, so it can give you the results you're actually paying for. And if you need proof, just look at this. This chart shows the reality of the situation, and it is stark. The companies that get data organization right, they get this huge leg up in efficiency, and they seriously cut down their risks. But the ones who don't, well, they get left behind. And we're not talking a small gap here, it's a massive chasm. All right, on to section 2, a framework for success. This is where we stop just talking about the problem and actually start turning all this understanding into real, measurable results. The framework itself is built on 3 really simple, actionable steps. First up, strategy and planning. That's where you figure out what you want to achieve. Step 2 is implementation and execution, actually doing the work. And third, and this is crucial, measurement and optimization. That's where you track how you're doing and find ways to get even better. Now, the most important thing to get here is that this is not a one-and-done kind of deal. It's a cycle. What you measure informs your strategy, and that strategy guides how you implement. It's a continuous feedback loop that makes sure your AI efforts are always improving, and more importantly, always tied directly to your business goals. Okay, now for what might be the most valuable part of this whole playbook, your action plan. These are the exact steps you can start taking today. So here it is, a 6-point checklist to get you going. And I want to call out 2 points that are absolutely critical. Number 3, engage stakeholders early. You have to get buy-in to prevent headaches down the line. And number 4, implement in phases. Seriously, trying to do everything all at once is just a recipe for disaster. Start small, get a quick win, and then build on that success. When you look at the top performers, they all share a few key habits. They are obsessed with strategy before they even think about tools. They focus on delivering real, measurable value. And they invest in their people. See the pattern here? It's all about building a sustainable system, not just chasing the next shiny object. But of course, no plan is ever perfect, and it's smart to anticipate the roadblocks. So let's talk about the common challenges you're likely to face, and more importantly, how you can navigate right around them. Let's look at a few classic hurdles. So you're sensing some misalignment between your leaders? You need to over-communicate the plan and the goals. Are resources feeling a bit tight? Okay, then focus on one small project that can deliver a fast, very visible win. And what about resistance from the team? Don't just try to push through it. Bring those skeptics into the conversation and make them part of the solution. So, once you've navigated those challenges and you've put the plan into action, we finally arrive at the real prize, turning all that organized data into a competitive advantage that lasts. I think this quote just brings it all together perfectly. Strategy without measurement is a guess. Data without organization is just noise. At the end of the day, you absolutely need both a clear plan and clean data to make AI's potential a reality for your business. So let's wrap this all up with the key takeaways. If you remember nothing else, remember this. 1. Data organization is everything. 2. Your strategy is your foundation. 3. You have to be able to measure success. 4. Your team is your most valuable asset here, so build their skills. And finally, number 5. Always be ready to adapt. You get those 5 things right, and trust me, you are well on your way. And that brings us to the final and I think most important question. And this one is for you. How does this apply to your current work? Right now, I want you to think about just one project where you could use this playbook to turn a bit of data chaos into a genuine competitive edge. Thanks so much for joining me.